Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your notification on Shein application. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off your notification on Shein, firstly, search for the Shein application on your app list. Long press on Shein application shown on the page. Once you do so, you'll receive three options, that is app information, uninstall and share. Now tap on app information option. Click on manage notification and on the next page, slide the slider of allow notification to the left side to turn it off. This is how you can turn off notification on Shein application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.